Here I have XIAOMI Mi Max 3 and let me show you how to reset camera settings on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the camera app. Now tap on more icon located in upper corner, so this is the one, and now go to the settings. Now you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the list and tap on the last icon, which is Restore Default Settings, so just tap on it. Now you have to confirm that you would like to reset your settings, because this operation cannot be undone, so you have to be 100% sure, and if you are, just tap on OK. And that's it. Your camera settings have been reset. So thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.